Hi, just look at the given figure and what you get from that figure. Okay, uh, before explaining the figure, just we need to know what is a determinant and what are the uses of a determinant. Okay, right. So here a determinant is defined as a value which can be computed from a square matrix in a linear algebra. Okay, right. For example, if we consider a, b, c and d, it is a 2 into 2 matrix or square matrix, for which how can we determine a determinant. Okay, so we can show a determinant with det a. Okay, right. Now the determinant for the 2 into 2 matrix or simply a square matrix is calculated by using the formula, that is AD minus BC. Okay, so this is for square matrix. Right. Now what are the uses of a determinant? So here the determinant is used to solve the linear equations and also useful in the finding of inverse of a matrix and also useful in finding the eigenvalues, eigenfunctions, and also useful in differential equations, and the very popular one, that is huckel approximation, which contain huckel determinants, for which this is the mathematical basics for it. So here we can simply say that it is the mathematical basics for physical chemistry. Okay, right. So which is very helpful in solving many problems on physical chemistry. Okay, right. So here if you observe the given figure, it is having 9 elements in it. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F and G, H, I. So it is simply 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, so for 3 into 3 matrix, how we can find a determinant, right? So just observe this figure here. Just start from A. If you start from A, that means it is going through these 4 elements of the 3 into 3 matrix. So those 4 elements are E, F, H, I. That means we need to multiply A with those 4 elements of the 3 into 3 matrix. Now come to B. So if you follow the arrow from the B, it is just connecting 4 elements of the matrix. So those 4 elements are D, G, I, F. That means B is just calculating the 4 elements D, G, I, F by skipping E and H. So that's why after taking the multiplication of A, we need to take minus here, then B, next go for C. For C, so just observe, it is multiplying, or it is the arrow is going with 4 elements. So D, G, H. Okay, we need to multiply C with those 4 elements of the matrix, right? So here we need to take plus. Okay, right. And after this, just check, we have resulted this one, and now we can see 2 into 2 matrix or square matrix here. So for 2 into 2 matrix, already we have seen how to get the determinant. So we have a formula, that is AD minus BC. So here E into I minus F into H. Then for the second one, we have next here DI minus F into G. For C, DH minus EG. Okay, right. Then we need to multiply A with this one and B with this one and C with this one. We can get a determinant for the 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, so which we can see so many problems on physical chemistry topics, right? Thank you.